Yeah, showroom doors open. Voted best to get in 2026. Let's get it. Let me tell you about my average day. Estimates in Napa and down to the bay. Pull up to the hills. Butler answers the door.
Master would like to talk about a hardwood floor.
European white oak, grade A select. If you want 3/4 inch solid, you'll have to write a check. Help with the furniture. We can handle that too. Masterclass craftsmen finish the job right on cue. Second stop, the Mrs. Wants LVP. They got carpet right now and the dog gets fleeced. We rip out the carpet, put the scratch proofs down at half the price of the other clowns. Tough as a tank, looks like a dream. That's the everyday hustle for the master installer team. Next spot I hit is a vacant unit. Property manager wants to get right to it. Need a fast turnaround, carpet wall to wall. They can book online so they don't have to call. Blueprint submitted, we put in a flash. We'll put flooring up the wall if you got the cash.